When you have grown an immaculate facial pelt, it requires good grooming. I like to use Victory brand beard oil. Beard oil acts as a conditioner and a softener, and it helps keep your beard gloriously handsome. Apply 3 drops to the palm of your hand. Apply throughout the beard. Now that you smell like a lumberjack, rule number 1, no combs. Combs often create way too much tension on the beard and remove far too much hair. A soft bristle brush. Soft bristle brush will actually groom the beard into place while applying very little tension and helping you smooth the oils throughout your beard, keeping it shiny and healthy. Handsome.